Communities in Florida will start the pickup process today, many of them devastated by not one but two hurricanes in less than 2 weeks.
And we know Milton made landfall late last night as a Category 3 hurricane, bringing some very high winds, some very heavy rain, and a big storm surge. And we have just learned 4 people have died as a result of this storm. That is the worst part of what we're hearing this morning. Meteorologist Cody Matz is tracking the storm as it heads out to sea now. Cody, you've got a comprehensive look at the damage and the destruction it did.
Yeah, good morning, guys. Hurricane Milton now heading into the Atlantic after rolling in and then out of the Florida Peninsula last night and early this morning. So check it out. Here's how it rolled over the last 12 hours, making landfall at 7:30 last night Central Time, so 8:30 local time, Siesta Key, which is south of Tampa. Notice all the bright banding, all the oranges and red colors. That's the very heavy rain up and down the I-4 corridor, St. Petersburg, Tampa to Orlando to Daytona Beach. Exceedingly heavy rain. Now it's off the coast, and it rolled across the coast pretty quickly, which isn't a bad thing because it rolled in and rolled out pretty fast. Still, though, a Category 1 hurricane. Sustained winds at 85 miles an hour, moving to the east-northeast at 18. It's now 75 miles off the coast of Cape Canaveral and continuing to push away from Florida. Still some hurricane warnings and tropical storm warnings for the east side, but will only last a couple more hours, and then things are going to wind down pretty quickly after that. But obviously the storm surge gets a lot of initial headlines. So do the winds. But really, rainfall is a big issue as well, and it set up shop. From St. Petersburg to Tampa, Orlando, Daytona Beach, 10 to 15 plus inches. In fact, St. Petersburg getting 18 inches of rain in less than 24 hours, 9 of that falling in a 3-hour time span. So incredible amounts of rain. Here's a live look on the east side. This is Titusville. This is close to Cape Canaveral, so the eastern shores of Florida. Communities across much of central Florida experienced wind gusts anywhere from 80 to 100 plus miles an hour as Milton then crossed the state. Dozens of tornadoes, though, were reported in Florida even before Milton made landfall. There were 126 tornado warnings issued by the National Weather Service on Wednesday alone. That was a calendar day record for the state. This is SIRA. It's a satellite image coming from space showing all the lightning flashes associated with Milton itself as it made landfall late yesterday. This footage, though, of one of the suspected tornadoes someone took near the Palm Beach Gardens area. Kind of tough to see in the background. It's likely a funnel cloud maybe here. No word on any damage with this particular tornado, but plenty of damage, especially on the east coast of Florida because of tornadoes. And this is a look at some of the damage left behind from Milton as it damaged some homes and businesses, dropped some power lines. You can see a little bit of smoke in that video. This actually does look like tornado damage versus hurricane damage. This comes from Glades County, which is actually east of Fort Myers. They did actually have 2 reports of tornadoes in that area. Well, storm surge flooding from the streets of Fort Myers now. The ocean rose 2 to 4 feet right along the shoreline in Fort Myers Beach area, flooding downtown once again. 6 feet of storm surge reported in Naples, 10 feet of storm surge where Milton made landfall in the Sarasota area. And more than 3 million homes and businesses, because of all the winds, are now without power this morning. This is a national map, but obviously Florida in red. We saw it from Helene as well. It will likely take a while for the power to be restored. Nearly 3 million customers without power across Florida, more so still in North Carolina and Georgia because of Hurricane Helene. Now, nearly 10,000 National Guardsmen are ready to assist in the rescues. They're actually already in Florida now. President Biden has declared Florida a disaster area to facilitate kind of the FEMA response time and get that whole thing and that whole process going, because you just can't get it going fast enough as soon as that storm is over. Interesting to note, so Milton became a tropical depression late Saturday evening. That was about 4.5 days ahead of time. The initial cone and the initial forecast of landfall was just 12 miles off from where it made landfall 4 days later. Wow.
That's pretty precise.
That is incredibly precise from the National Hurricane Center. So hats off to them, hats off to local meteorologists, and hopefully, obviously, the fatalities will likely climb. Those 4 actually reported from St. Lucie County, St. Lucie area, because of the tornadoes actually ahead of the storm. So, of course, we'll learn more as that all unfolds.
All right, Cody, thank you.
Yeah.